Hi, how are you?
Hi, how are you? How are you?
Good.
我是小马，我也讲中文。
我是安娜。
安娜，
今天我为你服务。
好，
你有什么问题需要解决？
主要是我的背很酸，我的腰这里。
我会今天给你这个做一个深度按摩，给你这个干压一下。干压一下子呢，以后呢就是说再给你踩个背，你看这踩背，我们有踩背，
还有踩背，
踩背，
OK
踩个背就会让你全身很放松。
会痛吗？
不会，怎么会？很舒服，会。
确定吗？
很舒服，很确定。
这好像很高的要。
试一下，
你就是从这。
对啊。
然后站在这。
我们会提着一口气上去的，不会踩得你很痛，就是说很舒服。
所以有点可怕的感觉。好吧。
But before we get back to the video, just wanted to thank ExpressVPN for sponsoring it. As you may know, I travel a lot for my videos, and during my recent trip to Europe, I found myself at an airport in Spain needing to send some important emails. That's when ExpressVPN became a lifesaver. With just one click, I ensured my personal information was protected from prying eyes. ExpressVPN secures your connection so you can get online and handle important business on public Wi-Fi without worrying about hackers snooping on your emails, which is a very real risk. And by encrypting and anonymizing your connection, ExpressVPN ensures that not just hackers, but also your employer, school, internet service provider, or even government cannot view what you are doing online, which incognito mode explicitly does not protect against. ExpressVPN also lets you get around content geo-restriction. For example, my favorite show Rick and Morty is not available on US Netflix, but ExpressVPN lets me reroute my connection through the UK where it is available. So whether it's for security or privacy, ExpressVPN is always my go-to VPN. Find out how to get 3 months free by clicking the link in the description below. Now back to the video.
腰炎对，很严，很爽。
The face of happiness.
对，这个就是 face of happiness。对，尤其是这里我的后背。
带脉就是说，你手脚冰凉的话，说明你带脉不通啊。
我带脉不通吗？
就是带脉不通。
环跳，环跳是什么？
环跳一个穴位，一个 acupoint。
人体的大穴位，最大的一个穴位。
人们喜欢这个吗？
喜欢。
That's what they always. 没事，你可以重一点，我受得了。That feels really nice. Wow.
你踩背啊。这就是环跳，知道吗？
这环跳。什么是环跳 ？Holy shit！
就是环跳是控制你腰跟腿运动。穴位。
Oh my god. She's putting like all the pressure on.
爽不爽？
很爽。什么爽？I feel like she's gonna break me. Oh man, you really have to have a lot of technique when you're doing this because like, one wrong move.
It's not just like walk.
Yeah, no, it's not. It's like you have to be very careful where you step. It's like, wow.
Yeah, every step is on the point.
So 每一个都是穴位。
Yeah.
The way she like squiggled up.
有一点痛的，
什么有一点痛 ？OK OK， 哇！
说明你腰不好。
是吧？
嗯。
怎么 ？Holy Jesus Christ！
说明你腰不好。
为什么？
你腰不好呀？是为什么？是劳累了呀。
reflexology.
爽得很呢。
不爽。
不爽，这就是你等一下爽了呀。
好，等一下爽。
等一下就是不痛了呀，腰不痛了呀。
OK， 好。
就会腰很，整个背很舒服。
哇哦 ！Oh man！
这里是环跳。
啊！
稍微踩踩就可以了。
哇，就是按在这个地方很麻，对呀，很麻，让我的脚都很麻。
然后就是说明你这边是
有问题啊，
Yeah，
你腰不好呀。
按在这个地方会让我的脚抬起来，很奇怪。
你放下，你那边就不痛了是吧？
对呀，不错啊。我现在舒服多了。对啊，他按这个环跳有什么用处？就是让他
全身就是会松下来。
我感觉在我的右腿那个血脉都
通了，
对呀，
对吧？就一下子，
它都回来了，那个血都回来，对呀，it's like 它麻了，然后麻了之后就不那么麻了。啊！Oh God! Holy! Wow! Wow! Oh my God! All her weight is on my calves now.
它有控制的力。
I don't like where this is going. I don't like where this is going. Holy shit. Oh no. Okay, it's okay. Oh. 就是这个。
哎呀，头不要抬起来啊。
OK。
头不要抬起来。
头不抬起来。哦。哦。Oh my God！ 你听到了吗？
听到了。
Wow! This is great. This is great.
这叫跪背。
跪背。Oh boy！ 好像打开了我的血脉一样。It's another one of those where I'm just not really sure if I'm like alive or dead. Like it's kind of in that in-between zone.
Purgatory.
Purgatory, yeah, that's right. That's exactly right.
Thank you.
这接下去会帮你把这个火罐是中国的传统的一个相当于带一些治疗的东西，它主要是帮助你更加好的血液循环。OK，so 我们现在就是说会用这一个小火把，就是主要是用火来制造这样一个这个罐子里的一个真空的状态啊，一个真空状态，然后就放在你的皮肤上。呀，没事的，这个没事的，它可能就会有一点点的这个那个就是吸的感觉。
对。
Yeah。
我是看啊。哦。
后背也会更轻。
Oh man! What? Wow! Oh, it feels like a pinch, a giant pinch.
Yeah, and 这个每一个罐都是对应了你的一个穴位。
你看这个颜色啊，就是说明它湿气很重，它变色了。
我的湿气很重。
对。
全身有湿气的话，就会让你平时很乏力。
很乏力
？Yeah， 就是 weak。
越放着越舒服。
是吗？
有点痛了。Oh shit! Oh God! Oh God! Oh God! Oh. Oh, it's such a nice release. Oh, whoa. Oh my god, that feels so good. Oh yes. Yeah. Ooh. What that sound?
这湿气很重。
Well. Ow. Oh my god, that feels so weird. Yeah, it feels really good after taking that off. Oh. Straight into the massage. Oh my god.
这个是最后一个。
中国理发店它经常洗头的时候会这样，
对，也会有一些
抓那个头皮，很舒服，我很喜欢。
对，
这个是什么？
这个就是你听到这声音就很放松。
OK。
放松。听着它响。
对啊，它 crack 了。为什么我今天这么卡？很舒服。
很舒服吧？
对啊。
就是6个小时不要洗澡。
6个小时不要洗澡。
Yeah， 不要洗澡。
If people want to check out some really amazing massages and facials and stuff, come check out. You guys are pretty amazing. Yeah, I'm feeling a new person, reborn.